on niggas. Skirt down, you acting like me. Acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well.
Do that. Yes, girl. My face dry. We're going to my house. House? Apartment? It's a house. You live in it. Why they call them apartments when they not apart? That makes sense, don't it? That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. That don't make, y'all, make it make sense. It's called an apartment, but they not apart. That don't make no sense. But I'm driving. Do not drive and film. There was a cop right there. Good thing he probably didn't see me. Probably. Keyword is probably. I'm gonna get back on in a minute.
I thought you had signed this before. Go ahead and sign it and date it for this date.
Okay.
We've already verified your insurance and all that because you said
Okay.
over early. I just want to go over the lease real quick with you.
Yes.
And a couple of community. First thing is your name is spelled correctly.
It's a capital L. I don't know if that'll make a difference, but it is spelled like the right way.
I'll update it in the system.
Okay.
And then next year when we print your lease, we'll correct that.
Okay.
And then what about your son's name?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. All right.
Okay, y'all, I'm in my apartment. I'm gonna give y'all a little unfurnished apartment tour. This is my second apartment, but it's just me and my baby this time. It's kind of small, but it's big enough for us because your girl don't need to be cleaning no big ass spaces. So let me give y'all a little look around before I go downstairs to get my mom and my baby. All right, this is the front door when you come in. This is my living room. It's a pretty decent size. Pretty decent. You come this way, it's a little dining room area. I'm not gonna get a table because I don't need one. I'm gonna put my crafting stuff in here. And if you come to the left, it's the kitchen. A little decent size, big enough for us. Come this way, it's the bedroom. The bedroom's actually pretty big. I thought it was smaller than this. But this is our bedroom. We got 2 closets. Decent size. We're gonna have to change these lights because these light bulbs are not giving. You come this way, we have the bathroom. Where's the light at? Oh, it's over here. Wrong one. Got the bathroom, decent size. About to clean all this. We finna clean it all. We're about to clean it all. But y'all, that's literally it. It's like a nice size, big enough for us, like I said. And my mom and my baby should be coming up in a second. But yeah, that's my apartment. Not bad for a first apartment. I already cleaned the carpets and everything. Just gotta clean the the walls and stuff again because, yeah, no, I don't trust people cleaning half the time. So yeah, we're just gonna get that together, but I'll talk to y'all soon. Mama. You gotta throw it harder. Y'all, that'll make it. Look, mama. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, I'm back at my apartment. So we didn't really get to clean yesterday. The lighting in here is trash. I need some new light bulbs. We didn't get to clean really yesterday, so that's what we're here doing now. We went grocery shopping, so I got some groceries as well. Got some cleaning stuff. It's all down there. It's a lot of bags. I got all that. So I'm gonna clean out the fridge first, and then I'm gonna put all this in there, in the cabinets and everything. So.
that's that most city, that's I. That you can't go around at night. You like to get me high. You know I know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire. You say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you. Let me plant that seed inside you. That's a this. Only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real. Only thing I can feel. So why you bother me? Why you bother me? Trying to catch you real weak. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value. Give me another hour or two. I'll war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got me?
Y'all, look at this shit that's left on there. Like, ew. People don't know how to clean. Always clean when you move in. Like, look at that. Always clean when you move in to anywhere. Okay, clean, y'all, clean. Always clean when y'all move in, because that's just nasty. That don't make no sense. And it's still like dirty and stuff. Like, I can't see, but it's like bleh, bleh, bleh. People are nasty. Good morning, y'all. It's 2 days after I got my key. I kind of filmed me cleaning a little bit yesterday, but y'all, they left that place dirty. Like, I couldn't even finish filming most of the cleaning stuff for y'all because it was just nasty, disgusting. I can't believe people left it like that. But we're gonna go back today after I get out of my friend's baby shower and finish, and then we're gonna move some stuff. So I can get some footage of that for y'all, but that whole cleaning stuff, no, I was not doing it because that was nasty. They're disgusting. Very, and you're gonna see it in them clips. But yeah, I just wanted to get on and update y'all and let y'all know that y'all won't be seeing a lot of cleaning stuff. I mean, I still gotta wipe the walls and stuff. That's about it. But all the other stuff, no, it's just nasty and I was not having it. Sorry. Hey guys, a little update. So we're fully moved in. I haven't unpacked yet. My kitchen's there's just bags everywhere. But we're fully moved in. I did not record me moving the boxes in and stuff because like we were just trying to get it done. Like, I was done. But I should be getting a couch within like the next 2 to 3 weeks. I got all our stuff in our room. It's been pretty good so far. Living alone with my baby is okay. So I guess I can just do like some updates for y'all, like when I unpack and stuff. So since I didn't get most of the cleaning stuff or other stuff, oh, I kind of did my bathroom a little bit. Let me show you. I kind of put a few things up. I still got to get more decorations. It looks okay. It's gray and white right now, but I kind of want to do like a bohemian look. I got all my soap on there. Oh, I got like black carpets down. But I want to do like a bohemian look. But this is what I got for now until like I get that stuff, because I'm not done shopping. But yeah, I just wanted to get on and let you guys know that we are moved in now. So that's a plus. Turn my air back down. So yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated with this move-in vlog. I'll probably just chop it into like sections, since I did get some stuff from the other day when we were first moving. But other than that, I didn't really get much, so I'm sorry. But I can film more now since I got my own place. So y'all stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna stick this to the wall, and yes, I'm using a hammer because I don't have a hammer. I'm gonna stick this to the wall, and I'm gonna put the shows on, and I'm going to put most of the stuff that's gonna be going on here up here. So
city that's high, that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know I know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. I said this, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel you. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch you real weak. Should never give you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got a fetish. You got a problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches. Don't know these features. Big dirt on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady. Love to my lady.
Okay, so I put mostly everything up there. I feel like I'm missing a picture. I am missing a picture. I'm missing a picture. Is it still in my bag? Oh, it is. Oh, I was missing my baby, so it's just that picture. Guess I can put that one up here. But this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna put books right here in a minute on one of these shelves because he has books and I have books, but I think his books are still at my mom's place, so I'm gonna have to pick those up today. But yeah, that's how the shelf's looking so far. It's looking decent. That's pretty much about it that I'm gonna do to the shelf besides the books. I have to get my crafting stuff, and I think I'm gonna put it in the little black bin over there, because I'm gonna put my stuff like kind of in that corner, or like just like a little space right there by that door. You can't see it, but it's right there. I might put my stuff right there, but I'm not too sure yet. So I'll just get back on and update y'all when I do more things.